you must say?
Well, I say we can make a portal now if we just link him out on the front.
Well, me could do so, no, man.
Forward now.
Back to the roots, babe. Let the shadows fall. I'm making no excuses. I know where I belong. Down in the jungle, down I crawl. I'm on top of the fruit.
I did it, butcher.
What take on so long? I know, so we just here for a whisper door. We just get the go ahead, you see me?
So, my bro, you're governed.
Yo, I'm governor, brother. But John know that I better than put me on a cell block, brother, because I'm alone, brother.
I think so, no butcher. Cause watch you pray. Over you say you have your own space, brother, you get privilege where the next man them evil have.
I real talk, you know, brother. Because you don't even want to mix and mingle with nobody, you know, because you don't know anything come down. Anything can go down, you hear that?
Yo, I true that, you know, brother, but me I tell you, bro. You see, when I have the amount of time up on your hand, brother, all the thing I got through your head, brother.
So brother, when I think whisper them say you have a little tablet like you can watch a show up on them things. So what am to that?
Bro, you know I'm to do show thing, bad man. I better than we give my studio equipment, them, brother. You see me? I just my farm up on my head and my studio, brother. And Mary's a save me, bro.
So, my bro, you know how long you got there? You don't give no time span or nothing.
Yo, Vicious, you know I'm not hear about no times thing. Because I talk to a big man still, but he might make me know straight, say, yo, he might have to do some paperwork. Because I'm not want to show up on my record, you see it? So any idea that sound good. So I have to just go and hold it.
Never lie, man. Because road is a must in my dog. One day, you hear that?
Yo, we have to take this as a lesson, brother. We got to change up some things before Butcher come out. You know. As a matter of fact, we just change up some things now. You see it?
I really thought that, me done. Alright now, brother, when I go through, I now pray for come out come try the same, bro. You see me? You know, I ask you, here for Marissa?
I want to tell you, say still in Marissa now take this too easy, you know. You see it? Right now, she's stressed out, brother.
Yo, she govern, man. She govern, man. She govern, man. Everything good, you hear that? She take it easy, my friend, man.
Yo, I know what this me that run from, brother. Never want to go through nothing like this, bro, because of me. What is done still, no, brother.
Well, me give her a power talk still. She govern, brother. Like what Vicious say, yeah man, she govern. You see it? Because you don't know whether the fear same way, brother. You know a brother thing. You know that, don't? You don't have to worry too much, don't?
Nah, man, she govern, man. Everything active, you hear that? We are going to govern everything till you reach back a foot, though.
Bro, when you just tell me this, I feel good, brother. Because I don't understand how only reach before she, brother.
Yo, she da there, man. She da there, brother, trust me. But I show me tell her, say, I go hear what I go on, make it first visit. So I know what can go on, then she can come visit you. You see it? You talk about brother now, why you worry. You don't have to worry none at all, man. You live like a king in here, you know, a prince. That's so?
Yeah, man, everything govern, man. Oh, yeah, say, man. You know, don't know whisper them and Miss Brissette, they make everything good. Everything normal out, man.
Yeah, you know why I pray this? She always tell me she not do jailhouse thing, bro. She have her family at prison, she never visit them, brother. Maybe all the same thing she have prayed with me.
Butcher, trust me, now, man. And me I talk to her. I want to tell you that a family, you are a man. She'll come visit your brother, you see it? What's going on, man?
She'll go pop up like notification.
Yeah, nearly a month now, I'm laughing, brother. I got a bag of things I got through my head every night, bro.
Yo, I hope I'm not corrupt your thinking, brother. Then I'm not rope in there. I be at this end there, don't.
Yo, the brother is sample, you know. Oh, you talk about this, brother?
I mean if you trust, cause them they can't hold around him neck.
Yo, when I go like a mad my mother and there help you. Yo, me I tell you that I pretty corrupt against the police, you know, bro.
Oh, whisper.
See you, man.
Leg of that, man. Trust me. Whisper them a good youth, man. And when I tell me yesterday them forward for a lift, butcher, lift me lift up, you know.
What you mean, Alifa?
Lift up. When I say lift up, way in the bush the man gone, brother. Almost back at God days me go find the man in the butcher. I me if tell you. So for you hear him I tell you say yo, whisper gov, you must know. Whisper gov, man.
Yeah, you know why funniest thing? I mean, I was at television saying speedy, you know. And look at me there right now.
Yo, butcher, me I tell you say a paranoid when I time, you know, bad man. Cause me I tell you say a right eye bar, me they are easy, so you know. And when me looking at hit me, cause me see pull up with the police them, you know. Suit out me if you wonder what gonna lift me if you lift clutch again. Yeah, man.
Yo, you come make your speed if you're easy, brother.
Brother, don't tell a man that, brother. Why you tell a man that for butcher? Eh? If him keep on behave so that police will shot him for nothing.
Shot.
That me I tell you no.
I lift left police, they can't catch me.
Hold on, I really thought that still.
Afraid of police.
They can't catch me, my friend.
I really thought that still. No.
When me say lift clutch, we are lift.
I love that about lift clutch. Eh? Suppose they decide for all that fire now. Where you go? Eh? In you say you go with butcher. You go lock up, you can't stay there.
Go in there with you. Man, that set you try set me up in there. Where you do, bad man?
Yeah, man, they easy, brother. They easy, man. Nah, like still miss my brother, them like that. You see it, man, I tell you that.
Now that's why we're there, man, brother. We're going to make sure so we visit you at least once a week. So we always feel present. Don't
Know you have to hold a laugh right with there, don't. Hold a dry. See you, with nothing wrong with that, don't, bro.
Yeah, I respect that, brother. You see me? But me really worry about my student, you know, brother. Because I know people are trying to reach out to me right now to do some work. You see me, and inform them, bro. I really worry about them.